Nextcloud is the ultimate open source platform for creating your own private cloud. It gives you total control over your data, and today we'll show you how to get it running on your Contabo server in minutes. We are going to cover all the essentials, from the initial setup to adding users, sharing content, connecting your own domain, and keeping your instance updated. The fastest way to start is the Contabo one-click app. When ordering a new VPS, simply select Nextcloud from the available applications. Just like with other one-click apps, the password you set during the order process will be the same one you use for both VPS access and your initial Nextcloud admin login. If you want to use the one-click app on an existing server, go to your VPS section in the Customer Control panel, select the server you want to install Nextcloud on, and click the three-dot menu. Now select Reinstall, switch to the Application tab, and select Nextcloud. Remember, reinstalling wipes all current data on your server, so make sure you have a backup before you begin. Once logged in, managing your team is easy. Click your user icon in the top right and select Accounts. From here you can create new accounts, assign them to groups, and set storage quotas to keep your server resources in check. To share content, click the share icon next to any file or folder. You can share internally with other users or create a public link for people outside your instance. For extra security, you can add password protection or set expiration dates on your public links. To use your own domain, like cloud.yourdomain.com, you first need to point your domain's DNS A record to your Contabo VPS IP address. Next, you must tell Nextcloud to trust this domain. Log in via SSH and open your config.php file. Now add your new domain to the trusted domains array. After this, head over to the caddy file and add your domain to the config. Last but not least, remove the override host setting using the command shown on the screen. After restarting the caddy container, Nextcloud will allow logins through that URL. Nextcloud frequently releases updates for security and new features. While you'll see a notification in your admin settings under Overview when an update is ready, do not use the built-in web updater. Because your instance runs inside Docker, using the web interface to update the core files will break your containers. Instead, the update process is handled entirely through Docker. By pulling the latest Nextcloud FPM image, Docker seamlessly swaps in the new code, and the containers automatically handles the database upgrades when it starts up. To update your instance, go to the directory of the Nextcloud instance, download the newest updates with Docker Compose pull, and apply the updates and restart the container with Docker Compose up -d. Once you run this, Nextcloud will briefly enter maintenance mode in the background, upgrade your database scheme, and bring your site back online. That's the basics of running Nextcloud on Contabo. You now got a powerful private cloud for all your data. If you need more help with Nextcloud features, their official documentation is the right place to obtain more information. For server-side questions, the Contabo Help Center is always there. Happy hosting!